There's a mistaken idea that a lot of people have about the construction business, and it's this: that to make money in this industry, you need to be an engineer, have years of experience, a big crew of workers, or an established company. And that's completely false. The reality is that the people making the best money in this sector are the ones who own one specific machine, provide one specific service, and get paid in cash the very same day. Today I'm bringing you 12 machines that can get you into the construction business without needing to be an expert. Every single one solves a specific problem, has real demand, and can be learned in just a matter of days. And the best part? Number 8 is probably the one with the highest demand right now in residential construction, and almost nobody is offering it as an independent service. I'll leave all the machine links in a document down below in the description. Let's get started. Machine 1. Asphalt Crack Sealing Machine. We're starting with a machine that doesn't look like a big deal, but it's behind a massive business. Have you seen those cracks that appear in parking lots, factory entrances, residential complexes, and warehouse driveways? If they're not sealed in time, they turn into huge potholes that cost thousands of dollars to repair. That's why preventive crack sealing is a service that never stops being needed. The Asphalt Crack Sealing Machine heats up a special sealant until it becomes liquid and applies it directly into the crack through a nozzle. The sealant penetrates the crack, cools down, and hardens into a flexible and durable finish. One properly sealed crack can extend the life of the pavement for several more years. You can find these machines between $600 and $1,200. Professionals in this niche charge between $5 and $10 per linear meter of sealed crack. And do you know what makes this business so good? Recurring customers. Once you land a contract with a community, a company, or a parking facility, they call you back every year for maintenance. Do the math and look at the potential. Who do you sell this service to? Building managers, warehouse and logistics center owners, small municipalities, residential complexes. This is a service that sells through prevention, and many clients would rather sign an annual contract than wait until the damage is already done. The next machine looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie, and it opens the door to a very underexploited niche. Machine 2. Hydraulic Spider Mini Crane. The first time you see this machine in action, it's impressive. It has stabilizing legs that open up like the legs of a spider, and that's exactly where its name comes from. Those legs allow it to stand firmly on extremely tight surfaces and lift heavy loads in places where a normal crane could never fit. The Hydraulic Spider Mini Crane works with a system of hydraulic stabilizing legs that distribute the weight, along with a telescopic arm capable of lifting between 1 and 3 tons. Its compact size allows it to fit through standard doors, operate in interior courtyards, and even work inside buildings. And because it's electric, it can be used indoors without creating pollution. You can find these machines between $2,000 and $5,000. Specialized operators charge between $400 and $800 per technical workday, depending on the complexity of the job. Just run the numbers. Who do you sell this service to? Industrial air conditioning installers, companies that install large glass panels at high elevations, contractors working in old buildings with no crane access, mechanical workshops that need to move heavy engines. This is a highly specialized service where competition is extremely low because very few people own this equipment. And the next machine is so accessible that it's going to surprise you. It's one of the cheapest ones on the entire list. Machine 3. Decorative Texture Spray Gun. This is probably one of the machines with the best cost-to-profit ratio on the entire list. It costs very little and allows you to offer a service that is completely trending right now: textured wall finishes. The Decorative Texture Spray Gun, also known as a hopper gun, works with compressed air. You place the stucco, plaster, or decorative texture mix into the upper container, connect a basic air compressor, and when you pull the trigger, it sprays the material directly onto the wall. You can create effects like fine knockdown texture, orange peel, popcorn texture, and many other decorative finishes that are currently in demand. You can find these machines on the market for between $50 and $200. Did you notice that? It's one of the lowest investments on the entire list. But the service itself is charged at premium rates. Professionals who master this skill are charging between $300 and $500 per textured room. Run the numbers and you'll realize it pays for itself with the very first job. Who do you sell this service to? Homeowners remodeling their houses, interior designers looking for unique finishes, construction companies delivering apartments with customized details, boutique hotels. And here's a key detail. In this business, you're selling design, not labor. That's why it pays more than simply painting a flat wall. Before we continue, subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment telling me which of these machines has been the most interesting to you so far. I read every single comment. Let's move on to the next one. Machine 4. Mini Hammer Crusher for Construction Debris. Do you know what one of the biggest hidden expenses is in any remodeling project? Transporting and disposing of construction debris. Loading broken concrete, bricks, and blocks, hauling them to the landfill, paying disposal fees. That adds up to a lot of money. And this is where a machine comes in that completely changes the game. The Mini Hammer Crusher for Construction Debris has a rotor with high-speed rotating hammers that smash the debris until it turns into reusable gravel. What used to be a transportation problem now becomes useful material that can be used as a base for new projects or sold as fill material. The machine can reduce the volume of debris by up to 60%. You can find these machines between $1,000 and $2,000 depending on the capacity. Professionals operating them charge between $500 and $1,000 per on-site crushing job. And do you know what the best part is? They can also sell the crushed material as sub-base material, creating a second source of income from the exact same project. Who do you sell this service to? Small construction companies that don't want to pay for debris transportation, remodelers delivering low-waste projects, contractors who value efficiency, property owners doing partial demolitions. This is a double value service. You save the client transportation costs and also deliver reusable material. The next machine is one of the oldest concepts on the list, but it's still incredibly profitable today. Machine 5. Manual guillotine shear for brick and pavers. Sometimes the simplest machines are the ones that make the most money. This one doesn't need electricity, it doesn't make noise, and it doesn't have complicated parts. It's pure mechanics, pure leverage, pure precision, and it does something that most builders either do badly or waste a lot of time doing. The manual guillotine shear for brick and pavers works with a lever system that applies concentrated pressure onto a blade that cuts the material dry. No dust, no noise, no cutting discs wearing out, no fuel. You simply pull down the lever and the cut comes out clean, straight, and ready to use. For landscapers, paver installers, and decorative masonry work, this machine is pure gold. You can find these machines on the market for between $300 and $500. It's very affordable. Professionals in landscaping and outdoor construction charge an average of $100 per installation day with precision cuts. Just do the math yourself. Who do you sell this service to? Landscapers building patios and walkways, contractors working on outdoor paver projects, companies building residential plazas and exterior spaces, homeowners wanting decorative driveways or entrances at their homes. And here's the opportunity. This is a niche where the quality of the cut is extremely noticeable. A bad cut looks cheap. A clean cut gets charged at premium prices. And the next machine solves a massive problem on small construction sites, moving material through spaces where a dump truck simply can't fit. Machine 6. Self-loading mini dumper with tilting hopper. On any small construction site, there's a bottleneck that almost nobody talks about. It's not excavation, and it's not building. It's moving material from one place to another, hauling debris out, carrying sand, transporting gravel, moving dirt. And when the project is in a backyard, a basement, or a tight space, a normal dump truck simply can't get in. That's where this machine shines. The self-loading mini dumper with a tilting hopper combines two functions in one machine. It has a hydraulic front loader bucket that automatically loads material, and a hopper that tilts to unload it wherever you need. Its compact design with tracks or reinforced wheels allows it to cross uneven terrain, climb slopes, and operate in access points where no other vehicle can fit. You can find these machines between $1,300 and $3,200, depending on the load capacity. Operators who rent them out charge between $250 and $450 per technical workday, depending on the project. Run the numbers and you'll see this can become a very profitable business. Who do you sell this service to? Residential remodelers, backyard construction contractors, small urban construction companies, contractors working in low-access areas. This is a machine that sells through efficiency. The client knows that without it, the job would take 3 times longer and cost far more in labor. And the next machine is the foundation of any small construction project. Without it, nothing gets done properly. Machine 7. Portable mortar and cement mixer. There's a simple truth in construction. The quality of the final result depends heavily on the quality of the mix. If the cement isn't mixed correctly, if the proportions aren't accurate, If the mortar has lumps, everything else fails. And mixing by hand is not only slow and exhausting, but it almost always produces inconsistent results. The portable mortar and cement mixer has a shaft with paddles that rotate at a controlled speed, mixing the material evenly in just a few minutes. It's electric, lightweight, easy to move between job sites, and perfect for preparing micro-cement, specialty mortars, and finishing adhesives. The consistency it achieves is impossible to match by hand. You can find these machines between $150 and $350. It's one of the most affordable investments on the entire list. Professionals who use it not only increase their productivity, but they can also offer micro-cement application services where mixing quality is critical. Imagine that time savings multiplied across multiple projects every month. Who do you sell this service to? Companies applying micro-cement finishes, specialty coating contractors, small construction companies that need perfect mixtures, site supervisors and builders who value quality. And here's an important detail. This machine usually isn't sold as a standalone service, but when combined with other machines, it allows you to offer complete packages to clients and increase your average ticket size. And now we move on to number 8, the one I told you has extremely high demand and that almost nobody is offering as an independent service. Machine 8, Mini Mortar. Spraying machine. Here we are, number 8. And this is the machine I promised has a massive market that almost nobody is taking advantage of. Why? Because it solves one of the most expensive problems in residential construction, applying wall coatings and finishes. Applying mortar by hand is incredibly slow. You need large crews, the finishes come out uneven, daily productivity is low, and labor costs skyrocket. The Mini Mortar spraying machine changes all of that. It has a pumping system with either a screw conveyor or piston mechanism that pushes the mixture at constant pressure through a hose, spraying it evenly onto the wall. What used to take an entire crew a full day can now be done by this machine in just a few hours. You can find these machines on the market between $600 and $2,000. It's a very affordable investment for the amount of work it can produce. Professionals offering this service charge between $4 and $8 per square meter of applied wall coating. And do you know how many square meters of wall coating a normal house has? Hundreds. Run the numbers and you'll realize how profitable this can be. Who do you sell this service to? Small construction companies delivering homes, builders coating residential walls, residential project developers, independent contractors. And here's the magic. In many cities, there's currently a residential construction boom, but very few professionals offer this specialized service. Demand is far greater than supply. Why did I tell you almost nobody is taking advantage of it? Because most builders still apply mortar by hand out of habit, without even knowing there's an alternative that saves them entire days of work. You enter the market, offer the finished service by square meter, and the builders who experience your speed become recurring customers. The next machine is basically the life insurance policy of any construction business. Without it, everything stops. Machine 9, Portable Low-Power Electric Generator. On any construction site, there's a problem that happens more often than you would imagine. The power goes out, or the electrical service still hasn't been installed, or the area's wiring can't handle the load from the tools. And when that happens, the entire project stops. The tools stop working, the workers stand around doing nothing, and money gets lost every single hour. The portable low-power electric generator is the solution to that problem. It runs on gasoline or diesel, produces stable power, is easy to move between job sites, and keeps all electric tools running no matter the conditions of the location. It's basically the guarantee that construction work can continue without interruptions. You can find these machines between $350 and $700. It's very affordable. Professionals who own a generator not only secure their own workflow, but they can also rent it out to other contractors on the same job site, charging between $50 and $80 per rental day. Run the numbers. You rent it out, you get paid for it, and at the same time, it protects your own operations. Who do you sell this service to? Contractors working on sites where electrical service hasn't been installed yet, builders working in rural areas, outdoor event companies, mobile workshops. And here's the good part. Once a contractor rents a generator from you and sees that it works well, they rent it from you every single time they have a project. That becomes recurring passive income with almost no effort. There are 3 left, and each one has its own niche. Let's move on to number 10. Machine 10, Battery-powered electric mini forklift. Now we move away from residential construction and enter the industrial world. Warehouses, logistics centers, small industrial parks. All of those places have one constant problem: moving merchandise, reorganizing inventory, loading and unloading pallets. And many times they either don't own a forklift or theirs breaks down at the worst possible moment. The battery-powered electric mini forklift works with a hydraulic lifting system powered by rechargeable batteries. It can lift between 1 and 2 tons with precision and stability. Because it's electric, it doesn't pollute, it doesn't make noise, and it can be used indoors without restrictions. It's perfect for supporting temporary logistics operations. You can find these machines between $1,500 and $5,000, depending on the lifting capacity and battery autonomy. Professionals offering this service charge between $100 and $250 per workday, or they establish recurring monthly contracts with small warehouses. Run the numbers and you'll see how profitable it can be. Who do you sell this service to? Small warehouses during peak season, logistics centers that need temporary support, companies handling industrial relocations, e-commerce businesses that grew quickly and now need help organizing inventory. This is a service that expands far beyond construction and opens the door to the industrial sector. And the next machine is one of the most basic, but also one of the most demanded. Almost every small construction project needs one. Machine 11, electric mini concrete mixer. This machine looks simple, but it's at the heart of almost every small construction project. If you've ever seen a house being built, an extension added, or a renovation project, you've probably seen one of these working. And the reason is simple. Properly mixed concrete is the foundation of everything. The electric mini concrete mixer has a rotating drum powered by a motor that mixes the materials evenly, guaranteeing precise proportions and reducing waste. It's easy to transport in a pickup truck, fits into almost any backyard, and runs on standard electricity without needing fuel. You can find these machines between $250 and $1,500 depending on the capacity. It's one of the most affordable machines on the entire list. Even though by itself it doesn't generate huge numbers like some of the others, professionals rent it out to independent contractors and builders for between $25 and $50 per day, with special weekly or monthly rates. Imagine that steady flow of income. Who do you sell this service to? Builders who don't want to buy their own mixer, independent contractors doing temporary jobs, homeowners building extensions on their own. And the key to this business is combining it with other machines to offer complete packages. When you rent the mixer together with the mortar spraying machine or the dumper, the client pays for one full package and you end up billing much more. And I saved this next one for the end because it's the machine that gives any concrete project that final professional touch. Machine 12, mini power trowel for concrete floor. Finishing, I'm closing with the machine that makes the difference between an amateur floor and a professional one. When concrete is poured to create a floor, slab, or surface, there's a critical moment when the concrete is still fresh but beginning to set. If the surface is worked correctly at that exact moment, it becomes smooth, hard, and durable. If it isn't done properly, the surface ends up with waves, pores, and weak spots that become obvious over time. The mini power trowel for concrete floor finishing has a system of motor-driven rotating blades that spin across the fresh surface, sealing the pores, compacting the upper layer, and leaving behind a polished professional finish. What a worker might do imperfectly in hours, this machine does in minutes with precision. You can find these machines between $1,500 and $4,000 depending on the diameter and power. It's an affordable investment considering the quality of the result it delivers. Professionals who offer this service charge between $2 and $5 per square meter, depending on the type of surface. Just run the numbers and look at the potential. Who do you sell this service to? Construction companies delivering garage slabs, patios, and commercial spaces. Property owners who want professional finishes on their floors. Companies applying epoxy flooring that need a perfectly smooth base. Workshops and warehouses that require durable flooring. This is a service that gets paid for specialization and speed. And that's it. 12 machines that can get you into the construction business without being an expert, without owning an established company, and without investing a fortune. The important thing about this list is understanding one thing. Every machine solves a specific problem that people are willing to pay to fix. Your job is not to know everything about construction. Your job is to know how to operate one specific machine and find the clients who need it. If you made it this far, tell me in the comments which of these 12 machines you think has the best opportunity opportunity in your area. I read every single comment. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, because I already have another part ready with even more machines that almost nobody is taking advantage of yet. I'll leave it right here on the screen, and all the links to today's machines are in the document down in the description. See you in the next one.